Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix iOS 17.0.3 battery drain issue on iPhone. So how to fix this problem? So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, you have a fixed drain issue battery. So you have first of all, first solution, you have force restart your iPhone. So then you have volume up button. Press the volume down button. Press the power button when you see appears Apple logo on your screen. Then 5 to 10 seconds wait and then your problem will be fixed. Then first solution is not working. Second solution, you have disable background app refresh. So you have open the setting and then you have scroll up and then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on background app refresh. So I have already turned off, then you have turn off should be when his low power mode is turned on your iPhone, so background app refresh automatic is turned off. So then third solution, you have turn off location service. So you have again open the setting and click on privacy. So you have click on location service, then I have already turned off, then you have should be must be turn off location service. Then third solution is not working. Fourth solution, you have use low power mode on your iPhone. So you have again open the setting and then scroll up, then you have click on battery, then you have low power mode is turned off. I have already turned off use, and then you have must be use better than issue at least. So then other solution, disable always on display. So you have again open the setting and click on display brightness. So you have click on display brightness and then you have scroll up, then you have then you have click on text, oh sorry, then you have use brightness modes, and so you have open the accessibility, sorry guys, then you have open the accessibility and then you have click on display and text size. Then you have click here, scroll up, then you have use the auto brightness turn on. Then other solution, you have used the dark mode. So you have open the again display and brightness, then you have click on dark mode and then dark mode is turned on your iPhone. Then last solution, you have update iOS latest version, then you have again open the general setting and click on general, click on software update, install iOS 17 latest update available. So you have installed uh, on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.